and welcome back to my channel. Thanks for tuning in. In this video, I will be showing you guys how I achieved this bomb wash and go. I will be showing you guys all the products that I use and how I preserve it every night for it to last up to 3 weeks or longer. If you guys would like to see how I achieved this look, please stay tuned to the end of the video. I did want to mention that I have tried a wash and go a few times and each time was a fail. But this, I finally found my technique, like I said, on how to do my wash and go and how to preserve it for it to last longer. Okay, as you can see, I have sectioned off my hair to work in smaller sections. I have added all the product that I wanted to add on this section and detangled it. So now I'm just going to go through and take small pieces of hair and just slowly twirl the end of the hair around my finger to have a more defined curl at the end. I am going to be doing this process all over my head. Yes, it is going to take time, but my curls are going to be more defined, especially at the end. When applying the gel, you want to make sure you apply enough to the roots, especially if you have thick hair, thick roots, so that will help lay the hair down. wash and go. I will be doing a 360 to show you guys my whole head. So this is how my hair looks when I mentioned that I stretch and preserve my hair for it to last up to 3 weeks, 21 days or longer. So I basically did this every single night. You also want to make sure that you have these type of scrunchies, the soft scrunchies, not the one with the elastic band. After you remove these scrunchies, you want to make sure that you do use some type of oil on your hair, so you can just put it on your hands and just apply it on your hair and your ends as you are separating your hair. So again, as I mentioned in the video at the bottom right, this is how I did my hair every night to stretch my hair and to preserve it as long as I could. is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I hope it was truly helpful. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. I am also going to be showing you guys a few photo clips of my hair being about 18 days old.